Everyone, so now we are going to do one more lab. This is for the beginner who recently joined the CCNA, who is doing the labs from the basic, from the scratch. This is a packet tracer which we are using. If you see, this is the version I am using. Later I am going to teach you how to use this one. Okay, this is a version. Currently I am using this version. This is a CISCO Packet Tracer. In this one we can do the basic lab. After that we can go for the CISCO CML, that is CISCO modeling lab, and also after that we can use the EVE, NG and GNS3. So first basic lab, in this one I will teach you how to take the devices. So here you have the devices, you need to click and then you can see you have all the devices here. Drag and drop, you can drag and drop. Like example, I want to take two computer, I taken, then take the cable, and this is automatic cable, you can take and connect the device like this. Okay, and then after that you need to assign the IP address. So here you can put any label. So what I will do, instead of putting the machine name, I will put the IP what we are going to assign here. So I will write here 1.1.1.1. Then I will copy, I will go to the machine desktop, I will assign the IP to the machine. This way we will assign the IP address to the machine, that is end device. Automatically subnet mask will come and just you can cancel. And here also I will do the same thing. I will use the 1.1.1.2. Then click here, go to the machine and click the desktop, go to the IP config and you can paste the config. Paste the IP, automatically it will come. This way we will assign the IP, and if you want to move this device, select like this and then move wherever you want to keep. And now we need to check both machines are communicating or not, both machine can work or not. Then click this one. Then you have these types of interface. After that you can go to the command prompt and then we are going to use the command ping, okay, to check the connectivity. I wrote the ping. After that you need to put the IP address of the next device. So we are here, this is our device, we are pinging from here to here. So we need to write this IP. So I will write 1.1.1.2 and I will ping. See, reply is coming. That means communication is there between these two machines. Both are communicating to each other. So this is a basic and simple lab in the CISCO Packet Tracer. Basic and simple lab in CISCO Packet Tracer. If you need complex, we can use complex lab also, but this is a basic lab. Thank you. Bye.